Hi, I'm Larry with Specialty Products Company. Wanted to take a minute to point out a couple of visual aids we've put together to help you talk with your customer about proper wheel alignment. The first one we have here is the wall poster. Its part number is 20108, and the counter mat is part number 20107. The counter mat is available both in English and Spanish. We've taken a couple of photographs, pictures of tires with uneven tire wear for you to help explain to the customer what may have caused that in terms of improper wheel alignment. We've listed some problem areas, problems that they may have on those vehicles, along with some solutions for each one of those specific pictures. The next thing we have here is the different alignment angles. We've picked 4 different alignment angles. We've given them very brief definitions for you, and the whole idea there is to just make it easy for you to explain and use these illustrations with the customer on those angles. Next, we have 4 different platforms that we've put in as common examples of everyday adjustments that you could get for the different cars that are out on the streets today. And these are pictures that you can be used again to show the customer how in their vehicle they may be able to be used to adjust their alignment. And the last part we have here is the benefits. It's always important to remind the customer what benefit they get from proper total wheel alignment: prolong the tire life, improve handling, increase their gas mileage, and reduce the wear on other suspension parts. So again, to summarize, part number 20108 is the wall poster, and 20107 on the counter mat.
Hi, I'm John with Specialty Products. The Specialty Products Sourcebook has been referred to as the Bible for alignment solutions for well over 30 years. So we want to take a few minutes here to review the new Sourcebook and how to best use it in dealing with your customers and providing solutions for them. So please, everybody, have a Sourcebook in front of you so that you can follow along and get the most out of this short review. First of all, every shop should have 2 source books, preferably one at the front counter as well as one back in the alignment bay. New for 2012, we have a full line source book which includes applications for traditional light trucks and automobiles, over-the-road, off-road, muscle car, performance, and racing applications. Inside the front cover, we've got a list of all the new parts since our last source book with the page reference number so that you can go and see what's new and available for your customers. The table of contents is where you'll spend most of your time looking up the parts and various things, and the tabs down the side gives you a quick reference to get to the application section, the parts section, etc., etc. Also, you'll notice that when you see the green tool icon, that indicates that there is a tool available to make installation of that part easier and in most cases faster. Also, the SBC TV QR icon indicates there's a video available to watch seeing that part installed, either by logging on to SBC TV or by scanning the QR code with your smartphone. Also, on every page of the catalog, we've got our website address and 800 number to make it easy for you to get additional information. Pages 2 to 6 review the basic alignment angles and what problems out of spec conditions can cause for your customers, as well as the benefits of doing a proper wheel alignment. Use these pages the same way that you would the counter mat and the wall poster to explain solutions to your customers. On page 7, we begin the application section. The application is set up alphabetically by make, model, and year. So reading to the right at the top of the page, we see we have an Acura CL, your 2001 to 2004 front-wheel drive. The rear camber column shows a part number 67090. The rear toe column shows OEMA, that's Original Equipment Manufacturer's Adjustment, showing there's a built-in adjustment, and a page reference of 60. On page 60, we'll get more information on part number 67090, which will include a picture of the part, an illustration drawing of where the part's installed. The tech box gives you additional technical information such as the alignment range, the installation time to allow, and how many per vehicle. Back on page 7, if we continue to the right, to the front applications, we have the same format. We see that there's nothing available for caster. Camber shows a part number 67125 with a page reference of 61. If we need more information on that part, go to page 61, just like we did for the rear application. Also, in the parts columns, when you see a green part number with a green page reference, that indicates that there is a tool available to make that job easier. So for the front part number 67125, we see a green part number 40920, page reference 119. And on page 119, we see that is a performance ball joint press that will make the job easier, and you can read in the text where by using this tool you don't have to take the upper A-arm off to install the ball joint. So we can see that the application section is easy to use. It's probably where you're going to spend most of your time in the source book. Two other pages that can be real useful are page 139, which is the numerical index. This gives you the parts section page number and the retail price. The alphabetical index on page 144 gives you the parts section and page number by part description. Remember, the source book, the counter mat, and the wall poster are the tools you need to explain and recommend the proper alignment solutions to your customers. The entire source book can be downloaded off of our website at specprod.com. Thanks for your time and good selling.